these are the fixtures that come on the Metalworks display. You can see it's nice wood. So you have the Bryce at the top in copper. You also have a redwood. You have an Olympic. The top hat for the Sequoia is down below. It comes separate so that it doesn't get damaged. You have the Acadia in copper, a Denali in black brass, and a Pinnacle in brass. You've got a dimmer, a surface mount wall wash, and a Cascades all mounted up front, and downlit, if you can see in here, with some nice pieces of strip light as well.